Welcome to my channel. Unbox a beautiful gift from Melody Cecile. Dress up your purse with me today. This is the box which holds the bag. This box is very, very sturdy and strong. I have some charms taped to the bottom. Thank you, Melody. This bag I was very tempted to purchase in the last few days. So thank you so much, Melody. This is more than generous. I have 3 of these bags so far. This is the dust bag, which is very substantial, very nice. And here is the bag. This is the beautiful Josette bag in the rose violet color. I do think it's a little bit more vibrant on screen, but it's still very beautiful on screen and in my hands. Oh my goodness. I think this is going to be a one-of-a-kind color in my handbag collection. I can't think of anything else that I own, even from Dress Up Your Purse, that is in a color like this. It's absolutely gorgeous. And this is available on the website right now. Look how well she packages things. This bag comes with a crossbody strap in the matching color leather. Wow. And there's an insert in here. All right, so the Josette bag has an insert that is specially made for it. This insert also fits in the Hermes Picotin bag. So if you have one of those bags and you're looking for a very good quality insert, I would recommend this one. You can purchase it by itself on the website. Look at that. It's made of a very soft microfiber cotton. It's so soft to the touch. I can't even describe. Melody Cecile is here on the corner. Inside the organizer, there is a zipper pocket. Now, I have never purchased an organizer for any of my Josette bags, so this will be my first time experiencing what it's like to carry one with an organizer. There is a side pocket on either side, and then 2 more pockets for organization down here. And let's get to the main event, which is the bag. This is the Josette bag. This bag is inspired by the Hermes Picotin bag. This bag allows you to experience the luxury look, the luxury feel, and the price is going to be nowhere near what you would pay Hermes. That is why I love Dress Up Your Purse so much, because there are styles that are inspired by other handbags that I really love, but I honestly can't afford to have them, not on the level that I would want them. And when I say that, I mean as in multiples, multiple different colors. I would never be able to afford multiple Picotin bags in different colors. And Melody gives me the option to add something like this to my collection. And not only that, Melody takes inspiration, but she adds her own innovation when it comes to improving the quality of these bags, improving the usability of them, making them easier to go along with your everyday life. I don't think the Picotin comes with a crossbody strap. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think that is one of the biggest add-ons and improvements to this style bag, is that you are provided a beautiful crossbody strap, because who always wants to carry their bag top handle? It's a beautiful way to carry it, but sometimes things happen. We're put in situations where we need a crossbody strap or a strap of some kind, and this bag comes with a strap. The inside of the Josette is one of my favorite parts of this bag, because it's like the raw unfinished side of the leather. The floor of the inside of the bag has the finished pebbled leather, and then the inside is the unfinished side of the leather. So look at the pebbling on the leather. I mean, there are 4 feet on the bottom. The base is so sturdy. The bag is so well made. It even has these little protectors on each foot. Like, that is the level of detail taken by Melody to make this a gorgeous and just luxurious product. The bag speaks for itself, and I get really giddy about the Melody Cecile or Dress Up Your Purse brands because, like I said, they allow me to dabble in different silhouettes that I already love in so many different colors. And I think that's the thing. I love the colors that she chooses to make. These colors are her own. She's had this beautiful green or Tiffany blue color. She has had bags in like a purple gray, lavender gray. I don't see colors like that typically from the other brands that I like, but she brings those colors to life in the silhouettes that I already love, and I really appreciate that about this brand. Right. So I only have a couple of minutes left. So we're going to do a bag swap today so I can see how the organizer works in this bag. I had to turn off a light because I was starting to have a hot flash. I think my face is turning red. Where I live, we have the heat on in the mornings, and then by the time the afternoon gets here, I'm having hot flashes because I'm so hot. So this is my bag of the day. I was in the same bag yesterday. So this is the Coach Chain Tabby. And I probably will not use this. This is that beautiful Tiffany blue color that I was mentioning, by the way. So just imagine the Louis Vuitton mini pochette. We know that typically comes in coated canvas with brown monogram, damier ebene, damier azur. But have you ever seen one in this rich of a color, in this rich of a leather texture? Probably not. You might have if you're an avid LV collector, but I personally have not. So this is another example of what I meant by that. I'm going to take my makeup and my travel perfume out of here because I have the organizer, so I might as well use those pockets. I'm going to use the zipper pocket for a little lip conditioner, the lipstick, lip gloss. I'm going to use another pocket for my perfume, and I'll show you everything after I have packed it. I'm using the Dress Up Your Purse leather key pouch for my credit cards and license. I have some hand sanitizer spray, a mobile charger. Really should have tried an organizer sooner. Let me remove my phone so it doesn't fall out, but this is how I was able to pack everything in. You can see my leather key pouch here with my ink pen right on the side. I ended up dropping my mints right into the zipper compartment. It's time for me to go. I have my medication in here. I've got my little pouch with all my little things. Sanitizers in there, the mobile charger. Everything I showed you is in there, and my phone is going to go in here as well. And let me show you how it's going to close. So it's still going to close the same way, even though there is an organizer inside. And I didn't think that would happen before. I have always seen the organizer, but then I knew how soft the bag was, and I was thinking, if I get this organizer, the bag isn't going to have the same shape, and that's not true. As you can see, the bag still closes the same way. It still gives you this beautiful bucket shape. It's not as squishy because it has a little bit of structure now because of the organizer, but it's still incredibly soft. Like, this is not a hard bag. It did not become, rigid when I put in the organizer. And it's very eye-opening for me. So if you have the Josette, I would recommend that you at least try it so you can see that this organizer is flexible. And you can see how it has moved with the bag. So it doesn't, you know, remain in its original shape. It moves right with the shape of the bag. So this is so beautiful. Let me try on the straps for you. And then that will be it for this video. I hope that you have enjoyed watching and enjoyed seeing this eye candy. This is truly some beautiful eye candy that I can't wait to use today. The Josette strap has some very beautiful hardware. It's very sleek and a very high quality. So this is how the Josette fits on the crossbody strap. You could also wear it on the shoulder like this. Okay, here's the Josette bag on the shoulder. Okay, and this is it crossbody. While it does kind of sit out from your body, if you do it crossbody, you can just kind of move it into the front of you. You know, if you're shopping and you want to move through aisles, just kind of swing it around the front. And then, of course, crook up the arm and top handle just like this. Such a beautiful bag. This leather smell, I'm sure, is going to follow me for the rest of the day, and I can't complain about that. So Miss Josette is about to take her first trip outside. She is really going well with the sunny day that we have today. So I'm very excited to get some use out of her today. I'll be sure to link this below in the description box, as well as my discount code. Make sure that you check out Dress Up Your Purse. Thank you again, Melody, and thank you all for watching. Bye.